What's up, everyone? Back with another YouTube video. Today's just gonna talk about meal prepping. I just got finished with the gym doing faster cardio. Gonna meal prep. I believe health is wealth. For anyone who says health is not everything, their health is probably not up to par. So health is. It gives you energy, vitality to live and to do more, which is great. That's exactly why we're here. We want to live a long time. Why not? Why cut our life extra 30 years short? Because of our decisions and a lack of discipline. So real quick, I'm doing a 4-day meal prep. No carbs for the next 4 days. I'm gonna try it out, see how my body reacts. My body reacts bad to carbs, so I'm looking forward to the results. I'm about 10 pounds away from my goal, which is really cool. After I hit that, my next focus would be body fat percentage to lower that. But besides that, I'm super excited about to do a little quick cooking. And of course, as I'm cooking, I'll be listening to a video, because why not learn something at the same time while cooking, because the time's going to go by anyways. So instead of listening to music, I listen to some videos to educate myself, to keep growing. This way, I don't waste no time. This way I don't have to do it later, and I can just focus on working the rest of the day. So I'm excited. Let's Go. You know, for those who don't know, Let's Go is a little merch brand me and my business partner Ryan, aka Bear Grips, started just because we wanted to motivate others. And just, yeah, you got Let's Go. It just means positivity. Let's go. You got to keep moving. Actually, I'll just let Diddy talk a little bit about what it means.
Oh, the definition of let's go. Let's go. What does it mean? Let's go. Where are we going? Let's go. Where we going? We're going straight to the top, baby. Let's go is a constant reminder. Let's go. Boom. Live in the present. Sometimes, you know, you daydreaming. Sometimes, you know, Uncle Diddy got to hit you with let's go to make sure that you're pursuing your dream, that you're staying focused. Let's go. Let's keep going forward. I don't go backwards. I don't go to the side. I go forward. Let's go. Okay? Let's go means let's be positive. Let's take it up another notch. Let's go. Let's make these hits. Let's go. Let's go spend time with our kids. Let's go. Let's give thanks to God. Let's go. You know, let's turn it up. Let's get in the vocal booth. Let's stop procrastinating. Let's go. You know, let's understand what it's going to take to achieve that dream. Let's go!
Hope you guys enjoy it. You guys have a good one. I'm just gonna record a little bit of me cooking. Pretty boring, pretty fun, whatever you think. I don't care. But make sure you guys meal prep. Make sure you guys eat healthy. Whatever it takes, do better. And I'm super excited. So
don't tell me that you need me if you only want the life. You know I stay 100, cause that's really hard to find. I ain't curving anybody, I'm just focused on my mind. Ay, put it in a booty like Rudy. I gotta keep my cool. A lot of people acting fake. Now they tryna cool like I'm married to the game. I focus on what I do. I don't care about what you think, nigga. Tell me what you knew. Let's go, oh, 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 oh. Like a Power Ranger, I can't fuck with you no more if you a violator. When I hear somebody talking smack, I tell them bye, hater. First we eating good, then the team running miles later. It ain't really what it seems. They ain't serving to the fiends. Gotta tell these people clean how you did it in a bean. Dark room, long days, took no wrong ways. Gotta do it for the team. Gotta do it for the team. I'm on fire, can't stop, drop and roll. I'm on fire, can't stop, drop and roll. I'm on fire, can't stop, drop and roll. Baby coming with me cause she said she wanna roll. Running through the city looking mean with my woes. Gotta flex on niggas, only thing that I know. I'm on fire, can't stop, drop and roll. Baby coming with me cause she said she wanna roll. Running through the city looking mean with my woes.
boom! Finished meal prepping. Didn't take too long, but shout out to the Moroccan King, aka Ish. I saw meal prep yesterday. I realized, wow, this crap is easier than I think. And food has always been an issue for me. So yeah, so I was excited that I got my meal prep done. Excited, I got some goals to hit, so crush it. Comment your goals below. What are you trying to do with when it comes to health? Are you trying to lose weight, gain weight? Are you trying to gain some muscle? Whatever it is, but we should all be improving in our health. Longevity and energy is key. You know, that's one of the secrets why people always ask me why you're so energetic. Is because I keep my health in tune. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out Let's Go merch. I'm actually gonna post a link below. Get a shirt, support the boy. You already know what it is. We'd love for you to get the shirt, to join the movement of keeping positivity, love, peace, whatever it is you want Let's Go to mean for you. But hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.